everyone. I have a quick note for our grown-ups before we get started because in today's story time, I will be using egg shakers. Now, egg shakers are one of the easiest musical instruments that you can make by yourself at home. All this is a plastic Easter egg filled with rice. But if you don't have any extra Easter eggs laying around, there's a bunch of other things that you can use. You can fill up a little plastic Tupperware with, this one has rice in it. You can wrap some beans in foil. This is a mixture of beans and rice in a glass mason jar. Here's some rice in a bag. And here's rice and beans inside of a toilet paper tube with foil on one end and plastic wrap on the other. So this is an awesome way for you guys to experiment with sounds, rhythms, pitch, all sorts of fun stuff. Just a word of caution, if you do anything like this, make sure you have a rubber band. You don't want anything escaping out one end. So with that aside, let's get started. Okay. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now we're here, let's have some fun. First we clap our hands just so, then we bend and touch our toes. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now we're here, let's have some fun. Awesome, let's get started. Okay. This rhyme is called Everyone Can March, and it uses the American Sign Language sign for stop. Okay, so I'll show you. It goes like this. Everyone can march, march, march. Everyone can march, march, march. Everyone can march, march, march. And now we make it stop. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Everyone can clap, clap, clap. Now we make it stop. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. Everyone can tap, tap, tap. And now we make it stop. Great job. Today we'll be reading Animal Music, written by Harriet Ziefert and illustrated by Donald Saff. And thank you to Houghton Mifflin Publishing Company for letting me share this story with you today. The elephant thumps a big bass drum. The monkey taps the little snare drum. Here comes the clarinet down the street. Music and feet, music and feet. Here comes the trumpet down the street. Music and feet, music and feet. The tuba is coming down the road. Move out of the way, you silly toad. They're playing loud, they're marching fast. Let's hurry and see them before they've passed. Music and feet, music and feet. I know a march by the sound and the beat. Mr. Lion is handsome and proud. He leads the band in front of the crowd. When I grow up, it would be grand if I could be the leader of the band. Around Mr. Lion, the animals play. Marching music, it's a happy day. Monkey and tiger, zebra and bear, the best band ever heard anywhere. A rum-a-tea, 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 tum. The end. Okay, so for this part, we're going to use our shakers. So I'll wait a second while you go and grab yours. You're back? Awesome. Okay, so this is called bread and butter. And the rhyme goes like this. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as fast as we can. And stop. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as slow as we can. Stop. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as high as we can. And stop. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as low as we can. And stop. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as loud as we can. Stop. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's shake our shakers as soft as we can. Goodbye, shakers. Thanks for joining us today. I hope that you really enjoyed our musical story time. But for now, it's time to sing goodbye, 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 goodbye. See you, see you, see you, see you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodbye, see you, and thank you.